Hello, everybody. My name is Yorgos, and I will be tutoring for you today. So today we are going to learn the Greek nouns and the three genders that we have in the Greek language. So I will share screen. Λοιπόν, in Greek language, we have three different genders. We have αρσενικό γένος, masculine gender. We have θηλυκό γένος, feminine gender. And we have ουδέτερο γένος, neutral gender. So these three different genders have different endings. In the last video lesson that I gave you, we've learned the articles. So for the nouns, we are going to need the articles. We've learned that for masculine nouns, we have the article O, this one here. So words that end, words, I mean nouns, of course, and adjectives, and pronouns sometimes. Anyway, words that end in os, in plural, end in e. O and e together is a combo, sounds as e. This is the masculine gender, okay. O anthropos, this is in singular. In plural, we are going first to change the article O, becomes e. And then the ending os becomes e. O anthropos, οι άνθρωποι in plural. Ο σκύλος, the dog, οι σκύλοι. You may also say, and you can use that as a tip, that the words that end in os, in plural, end in e, and this e is the same with the article, okay? In the feminine gender, στο θηλυκό γένος, words that end in a, in plural, end in s. We've learned in the last video lesson, I'm sorry, I will tell you again, that we've learned the articles and the feminine article, e, this one, ita, e. So the word is η καρέκλα, the chair. This word here ends in a. We are going to do the same method again. We are going to change the article e to the e here in plural. The e becomes in plural this e. And then we are going to change just the ending of the noun. The a becomes s. So η καρέκλα, οι καρέκλες. Η γλώσσα, οι γλώσσες. Okay, η γλώσσα means the language. Λοιπόν, now we are going to learn the last gender, neutral gender, ουδέτερο γένος. Words that end in e, in plural, end in ia with a tone and ia without a tone. I am going to explain this to you. So the neutral nouns have the article to. We are going to follow the same method. The article must change from to, will be ta, and then the ending e will be ia. So let's learn about the tone. Because of this word here, in singular, the tone is in the ending, in e, to παιδί. Okay, so we are going to keep the tone in the same syllable, in the last syllable. Okay, So it's going to be ta παιδιά, and the tone is going to be in a. Okay, because if the tone was here in e, you will pronounce this word like ta παιδεία, and this is wrong. It's ta παιδιά. The tone is in a. Το παπούτσι, the shoe, it's going to be ta. First, the article to becomes ta, and then the ending here e becomes ia. Τα παπούτσια. You can also use this as a tip. You just add after the e, you just add an a. Okay, you can remember that. Το νησί, τα νησιά. Το τραπέζι, τα τραπέζια. Okay, so this was our video lesson for this week. I hope you learned something today. Again, I will tell you, if you want, you may contact me and I can be your tutor. I can be your teacher for you to learn Greek. Thank you a lot. And I appreciate your time. Thank you.